Hello everyone, I am Rbjewelz, welcoming you to STOHandmade Jewelry and Craft Corner. Here on this platform, I will teach you how to make basic jewelry pieces, teach you beading techniques. I will do beading jewelry series. Also, I will share my journey with you of how I became a handcrafted jewelry design artist, how I got started, what inspired me, and what made me interested into making jewelry. The kind of jewelry that I made first before I got into beadwork jewelry, because I did not start here. I actually got started doing basic stringing and doing basic metal working techniques. I did take classes and I went to school, but a lot of what I know is self-taught also. The jewelry that you see before you is examples of the kind of jewelry that I was able to make after many years. Actually, this year will make 20 years that I have been making jewelry every day, practicing, learning, and experimenting, and allowing myself to have fun. So this is what I want to do with you here at STO Handmade Jewelry and Craft Corner, is to have fun, to show you how I make some pieces, and you can ask me questions as long as all the questions are jewelry related. And I will share techniques with you. I will give you updates on new designs, things that I am working on, as well as tutorials that you can purchase at some point. The different things that I'm doing in terms of growing this channel and things that I'm planning to do in 2025 that will be coming up in a what's new video to let you know what's going to be new in 2025. Also, you are safe to learn here in this community. There will be no judgment of any kind, no negative criticisms or ridicule, only positive critiques and questions are allowed in this community. Positive comments are definitely welcome. Sharing positive information that's related to jewelry only is very welcome in this community. Negativity will not, of any kind, will be tolerated on this channel. Not towards me and not towards any of our growing community that we have here on this platform. I'm still working on a lot of the kinks of what I'm going to do on this channel, but it will definitely be bead working. Now, I know I do have previous videos that show clay tutorials and things like that. I will not delete those videos. They will be up and you are free to use them as long as you give me credit for my work that I'm sharing with you on this platform. And by no means are you allowed to teach anything that I share with you on this platform without prior authorization from me upon reaching out to me via email, which I will provide that information to you if you indeed want to teach anything that I share with you on this platform. So that's all that I have for you. So again, welcome to STO Handmade Jewelry and Craft Corner. Get ready to have some fun, learn some new beading techniques, to hear my stories and my journey, as well as my healing journey as a handcrafted jewelry design artist, because I do have 20 years of experience, knowledge, and education, and I will share some of it with you here on this platform. So also, for now, I will be sharing a minimum of 3 videos a week. 3 videos a week. As I continue to work out the kinks, on this channel, I will share more videos with you here. So that's all I have for you now. You are welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, for looking at the videos and sharing your comments. I truly appreciate you. I'm grateful for all the subscribers that I have here on STO Handmade Jewelry and Craft Corner. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification button so that you will know when there's a new video being uploaded. Until next time, happy beading.